Memorial Day 2019. These clouds have been lifting up. It's getting really cold. I felt the temperature drop about 10 degrees within the past minute. And you're getting a little bit of what looks to be like a swirl almost. And I'm watching and reporting as it happens. Hey, Erica! Hey! Yeah? Okay. Neighbor just saying something's in Romeoville, but look to the south. Yeah, this to the south doesn't look good, man. Yeah, this looks really impressive. Yeah, wow, this is intense. It's all blue over there. It's like it's moving that way, but it's still kind of kicking a little bit back towards the north. And you get the heat rises and that cold air slams down. And it seems like that's kind of what's happening by me. And I'm no Tom Skilling, but I'm looking due south right now. A little bit southeast. Feeling a little bit of raindrops here and there, but nothing significant. If it takes my garage and leaves my tractors, I think I'll be all right with that. Yeah, oh my God. I didn't even look over there. This is looking north. I guess one in Romeoville was spotted. And I don't know what the trajectory is, so I'm gonna get in and cut this off for now. All right, folks, if I don't get back to you, that means I'm a dead duck. I gotta get the family safe.